Hey, this is your Hollywood Maintenance. I just got a vacant unit and I want to show you how to put this in diagnostics mode. And if there's a code, this way I could actually show you instead of telling you if, how to move to advance to the next step. So anyways, you do the 3 sequence. This is a Whirlpool Duet, this older model. Let me show you the model number, which I'll leave in the link in the description below. One thing I like about these ones has this bottom panel here, so if you have to clean the filter, you don't have to come from the back. You don't have to come take this whole front panel off. In the front, you could just take this little piece off. This is where the pump is down here, and it's easy to clear the filter. So let's see. Okay, we'll see if there's any codes. F9E1. I'll tell you right now that's the filter needs to be cleaned down here. And also, if you were looking to see what each code is, on this side, when you take this panel off, usually that's where the tech sheet is, and I'll tell you what each code is. Then we hit soil level to move to the next code. See F8E3. Then when you hear that 3 beeps, and see how it started over with the F9E1, that means you're all done. To clear the codes, you press and hold soil. '88 means all the codes are clear. Even after you fix it, clear the codes. I just want to show you. I'll fix it again. A lot of times too, the F9E1, make sure you're checking here. This one looks okay. The last time I had that code, I found socks right there, because you have holes right down here. Not sure if you can see them on the video. That's where it drains into. When we get here to do this, I'm gonna show you, about the filter and stuff, and we'll go from there. I just have to see what that other code is. I'm pretty sure it has to do with the door lock, but that's because the filter's clogged, so there might be water left in there, so it's taking a long time for it to open, so it locks, unlocks, locks, unlocks, locks, and then it stays. So just thought I'll shoot this short video. Hopefully that's helpful. And when I clear this drain pump, I'll make another video so this way I can show you. Thanks for watching.